Today I'm showing you how to make soy cured egg yolks. These are super simple, but you can get different results depending on how long you leave the yolks to cure. To start off, you of course need some eggs. Separate your yolks and get them into a bowl. Cover them with soy sauce until they're just floating. Cover and set in the fridge. For runny yolks, leave for 3 hours, and for a more gel-like jammy consistency, leave for 24. After your preferred rest time has elapsed, remove the eggs from the fridge and using a spoon, carefully flip over the yolks so the other side can cure. Then cover and set back in the fridge. Again, 3 hours for runny yolks and 24 for firmer yolks. After the second curing period in the fridge, simply remove the yolks from the soy sauce and serve. The yolks that have cured for 6 hours will have a thin cured coating around the outside of the yolk and a runny interior, while the yolks cured for 48 hours will be really jammy and gel-like. I actually prefer these yolks that have been cured longer, and I think that you could even do a bunch of these and make like a soy yolk gel, which would be really nice for plating. Anyway, just a quick little tutorial. If you liked this video and want to see more content like this, consider subscribing, hitting the bell notification button, and connecting with us on Instagram @chefstudio_.